The Matchmaker, at your service by Dr. Ezekiel Alawale. Forward by Pastor Matthew Shimalowo, Senior Pastor of Kingsway International Christian Center. From Chapter 1, this book gives a comprehensive approach to the subject of being single. This book also takes the reader through the journey of dating, through courtship, to eventual marriage. Dr. Ezekiel Alawale gives the reader the signals of the Spirit, by which we may know to say yes, no, or wait. Are you serious about your relationship? Get this book now and be blessed.